Hey everybody, I'm Bill Davenport with Anchored Market Ventures. We run local farmers markets here in the Florida Panhandle, and today on Tips and Tricks, we're going to be talking about entrepreneurship, starting a new business, and how starting a new business at your local farmers market is very advantageous to you, and there's a lot of benefits. One of the things about being a new business owner or getting into entrepreneurship is the barrier to entry. You have a lot of different paths you can go, whether it be the traditional brick and mortar, but at the local farmers market, we lower that barrier to entry. So it's a great way to come out and see if business is really something you want to get into, or what you're looking to sell. You can kind of test the waters, test the market. The market has a built-in crowd that's already coming out. We'll use the Panama City Farmers Market here as an example. Every Saturday we have on average of 1,500 to 2,000 plus people that come from the local community. So it's a great pool of people to test your market with, but it's also a place where you can work on your display, work on your layouts. You can do a lot of beta testing and really get a instant feedback when you're selling at the farmers market. So if you're a new business, you're looking to be an entrepreneur, getting into that space, definitely look at your local farmers markets. It can be a great avenue for you to help get your business up and going, and then you can shift gears and go to another direction. So if you have any questions, please hit me up, Bill Davenport. I'd love to talk with you. I'd love to help you. If you guys like our videos, the tips and tricks and our vendor spotlights, I really encourage you guys to click that subscribe button and give us a follow. We'd love to hear your feedback too. Leave us a comment, a like on the post, and we can't wait to see you guys.